said. So what did you say? Oh, now you've gone quiet. Tell me. Are you bouncing? Can you say Megan? Say Megan. Carolyn. What's my name? What's my name? Say Megan.
Megan.
Good. Say
Megan.
Say Paco.
Paco.
Good. Say Alan.
Alan.
Good job.
Alan.
Good job. Uncle Alan. He is working. Uncle Alan.
No, Alan.
Alan. Are you sleeping in my bed?
I'm not sad.
You're what? Are you sleeping in my bed? No? No?
No.
No? No what?
I see you see my bed.
You're sleeping in my bed? Can you show me how you snore? Oh, what are you doing with the pillow? Oh, that's a big pillow you got now. Show me how you snore. Oh, can you say Megan again?
Megan.
Megan, Alan,
Alan.
Paco.
Paco.
Very good.
Paco.
Is Paco my kitty?
A kitty.
Yeah, kitty on the camera you saw. You like Paco, don't you? You want to meet Paco?
Paco.
Yeah.